Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!